day I'm gonna log out, check out day. So hi. Maybe it takes around 20 or 25 minutes. Okay.
English so my friend.
Ah yes.
From Cuba. I'm sorry.
Where are you from?
Cuba.
Cuba?
Yeah.
Cuba? From Africa?
No.
I'm not familiar with the country. Cuba?
Cuba.
Oh, what is spell?
Spanish.
Anyway, my English is poor too. Don't worry.
Where are you from? China.
Oh my God!
No?
No!
Thailandia.
Thailand! Oh my God!
Japón.
Gabon?
Japón.
Gabon? Please guess again. No China, no Thailand.
No?
I'm from K. There are many K's.
Case. Yeah.
Korea.
Asia.
Korea.
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 Oh, Korea.
필승 Korea.
Korea North?
Ah no,
No.
South. Oh my God, why did you?
Cuba.
Cuba. It is famous for the baseball.
Yeah.
Cuba.
Cuba.
Yeah. One of Cuba baseball player. Do you know?
Yeah.
Do you know Puig? Yasiel Puig?
Yasiel Puig.
Yes, Yasiel Puig come to Korea. Will come to Korea.
Yeah. Korea.
Yeah. Do you know Beijing Olympic?
Olympic?
Yeah, Beijing Olympic. In the final round, Cuba versus Korea.
Versus Korea, yeah.
Yes.
Korea good.
Yeah,
good.
Korea.
Champion.
Yeah.
Clásico baseball.
Yeah, the World Baseball Classic.
Japón.
Habong.
Yeah.
What is Habong? Japan. Do you start work today? Or 6 a.m. or 7 a.m.? 6 a.m. Be tired? No. Not. Wow. Cuba.
America.
America.
Bye.
Very good. Nice. Bye. 클리브랜드에 비하면 확실히 붐비네. 여기는 줄도 있고 여유 있게 왔으면 조금 위험할 뻔했습니다. 일찍 나오기를 잘했네. 공항 와이파이 접속하니까 10초 하면서 광고를 봐야 되네. 상업 아메리카 멋있다. 이제 시큐리티 게이트 통과 마쳤고 지금 시간이 10시 9분인데 지금 11시 46분이니까 시간이 조금 있어요. 혹시 몰라가지고 진짜 좀 일찍 왔는데 여유로워 다행입니다. Excuse me, our flight is delayed around 40 minutes, right?
I think so, yes.
I have to transfer the airplane in Chicago.
Where are you going out of Chicago?
Cleveland.
Should be okay.
Okay, I will trust you.
Worst case scenario, the next one out of Chicago to Cleveland leaves later tonight at like 8 p.m. So
8 p.m?
That'd be the next one if you miss the 320. But you should make that one.
Okay.
You'll just need to figure out what gate it's going out of when you get there, though. Okay.
진짜 그냥 나홀로 집에네. 3:20 already go.
Since you missed that flight, you got rebooked on the next one, okay? The next one is at 8:20.
8:20.
Yeah. There is no more in between that. That's the next flight out. Alright, you're booked on there. Let me print your boarding pass.
How can I unload my carrier?
It's gonna go to your final destination. Is Cleveland your final destination? Right here. You're gonna pick it up at Cleveland. Baggage claim.
오케이. 여기 공항에서 시간을 조금 때워야 될 것 같습니다. 렌트카가 10시에 닫는다고 했었는데 전화를 해봐야 될 것 같은데. 있다. 전화번호 있다. 전화를 해봐야겠다. I just called you to confirm something because I missed the connection flight in Chicago, so I will be there later than I expected. 11 p.m. today. I think I have to rent a car tomorrow morning. My last name is Kim.
K-E-U-M.
Yeah, right. M. McDonald M. Okay, I will pick up the car tomorrow 7 a.m. Okay. Have a good day. 와, 컵스 바가 있네. 이거 뭐야? 씨, 어디 가나? 월드 시리즈 챔피언. 풍경이 너무 이뻐가지고 보는 맛이 있네. 호텔에다가도 전화를 해야겠다. 예약 시간보다 너무 늦으면은 가끔 호텔에서 취소한다는 얘기가 있으니까 I will be late around 1 a.m. Okay, thank you. 아니 근데 그냥 문득 드는 궁금증인데 아침 내가 9시 출발을 했으니까 오스틴에서 차를 타고 왔어도 이거보다 빠르지 않았을까? 한번 검색해봐야겠다. 아, 갑자기 위안이 되네. 차 타고 왔으면 20시간이네. 괜찮아. 연착될 수도 있지. 뭐 이렇게 시끄럽던 공항이 이렇게 개미 한 마리 안 보여 갑자기. 서브웨이. Can I order it this way?
Yeah, you're
Ah, what is the difference between all American club, cheaper one, expensive one?
Chicken club is a turkey ham with bacon.
Ah, yes. But there is all American club?
Yeah.
Yes.
What kind of bread?
Oh, big.
Huh?
It is bigger than Korea.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Korea subway is smaller than this.
Oh yeah?
Yes, really. I ordered all American, then one Dr. Pepper. 겔21인데도 지금 이거에 한 2배. 확실히 크긴 크다. 우리나라 서브웨이 뭐 많이 먹어본 건 아니지만 비싸니까 그런 걸 수도 있겠지만 확실히 우리나라 거보다 맛있고 그리고 양이 이렇게 두툼해서 되게 좋은 것 같습니다. 드디어 탄다.
Group 3 customers is welcome to board this time.
아침 9시에 호텔에서 나왔는데 지금 오니까 밤 10시 46분입니다. 거의 한 2시간? 13시간을 밖에 있었던 건데 12시간이면 사실 한국에서 샌프란시스코로 오는 거리인데 무사히 도착을 했고 클리브랜드 일주일 만에 다시 오니까 고향 온 것 같은 느낌이 좀 드네. 희한하게 집 온 것 같네요. 기분이 좋습니다. 웰컴백이라고 외쳐주네.
I'm Devin. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you too. I missed the connecting flight due to the delay. I was in Chicago for about 5 hours in just airport.
Okay.
It's my first time to see female Uber driver.
And especially at nighttime, there are not many women drivers at night. And I know that because a lot of times I get women passengers and they're always very happy that they get a woman driver.
Ah.
Late at night,
And then your driving skill is more than guys.
Now that is the truth. That's why our car insurance is so much lower.
I feel like this kind of our talk show in car.
Well, you have the camera, so
Yes, that's best
we
choice.
have everything that we need.
Yes,
Right?
your talking skill is very nice, like Oprah Winfrey.
Thank you, you too.
See you. Bye bye.